oladoc YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को दबाना मत भूलें।
Hi, my name is Elaj and I'm a medical esthetician from Canada with over 19 years of experience in skincare. I do Botox, chemical peels, laser, microdermabrasion, fillers, thread lifts, and many other treatments. And right now we are going to talk about anti-aging treatments and what aging is.
पाकिस्तान के टॉप डॉक्टर्स के साथ अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करें, वो भी पेशेंट फीडबैक देखते हुए। लाखों लोगों की तरह पाकिस्तान के सबसे बड़े डॉक्टर नेटवर्क का फायदा उठाएं और आज ही oladoc ऐप डाउनलोड करें। oladoc, डॉक्टर का अपॉइंटमेंट आसानी से।
So aging is a normal process and you cannot stop it. It happens with everyone. But luckily we live in that area जहाँ पे हमारे पास treatments हैं कि हम age को delay कर सकते हैं, and there is nothing wrong to age gracefully. So today we are going to talk about aging, and aging is something everyone has to go through. And luckily हम उस time में हैं कि हमारे पास ट्रीटमेंट्स हैं, ऑप्शंस हैं कि हम एज को थोड़ा डिले कर सकते हैं, एंड इसमें there is nothing wrong to age gracefully. And I believe कि जब in morning you look into the mirror, you love what you are seeing, what's there in that mirror. अपना आपका अच्छा लगना is very important. तो हम luckily जिस एज में हैं हमारे पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं कि हम अच्छा लग सकते हैं, हम wrinkles को अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. With aging, your fat deposit start to deplete it, and to fix that problem, we have options of fillers, which create a padding like a fat pad, and we have Botox जो कि हम wrinkles को डिमिनिश नहीं कर सकते बट बहुत कम कर सकते हैं. एंड विद बोटॉक्स अगर हम उसको टाइमली करते हैं तो वी कैन प्रिवेंट रिंकल. और अगर देयर इज़ वन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग दैट आफ्टर एज ऑफ 25 years you should start doing treatments like microneedling, microdermabrasion, chemical peels that will delay your aging process. एजिंग के जैसे ही आपकी एज 25 से ऊपर होती है तो our collagen production slows down, our metabolism slows down, and then our fat is also breaking up. We get bone loss too with aging. And one very important thing, the reason of aging these days is that we do not use sunscreen, we do not avoid sun. That is number one cause of premature aging these days. Other than the treatments like Botox or dermal filler and thread lifts and HIFU, whatever, what we can personally do is that drink lots of water so our skin is hydrated, use vitamin C serums, hyaluronic acid serums, and also from within we need to take vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, glutathione, all the antioxidants like glutathione, vitamin E, C, these are antioxidant and it helps to repair the cell damage inside your body, and that is very important. People they try to get nutrition from food, which is a good thing, you should do that, but these days food are not purely organic, so I highly recommend to take vitamin supplements. Botox in fact freeze your muscle movement, and you know how we get crow feet या इधर हमारे lines होते हैं, frown lines होते हैं. This is all because of muscle movements. We are squinting and we are getting angry. So when those muscles are frozen, you don't get those wrinkles and lines. but Botox stays maximum till 6 months. After that, you need to take another session. As for fillers, there are fillers which work till from 8 to 12 months, and nowadays there are many good fillers which stays till 18 months. Threads are actually, I feel personally, is a very natural process. We need sutures which we use to seal the cut we have. So we place that sutures in your dermal layer, and that stays there, and because of that thread, that suture, collagen production increases, and that effect stays at least for 2 years. Some threads are not that great, and their effect will be for 1 year, and other than that, after 2 years, threads are dissolved, but collagen, it stays there. So you have lifting effect, firming effect. The one very important advice I want to give to people is to take vitamin C, vitamin E, and use retinol and hyaluronic acid serums, and drink plenty of water. And the most important thing is to wear sunscreen and avoid sun as much as you can. If you have any question, any query about your skin, any problem, you can always contact me through oladoc.com, or you can come to my clinic, and I also do online consultations too. Thank you.